The powerful winds from Friday night's tornado caused catastrophic damage here in Rolling Fork, Mississippi. Some homes and businesses have been leveled by the storm. And right now, there are family members, friends, neighbors, and complete strangers that are pouring in to help these storm survivors try and salvage anything they can. We've seen search and rescue crews back out checking the hardest hit areas. It's tough getting around with so many power lines, downed trees, and debris blocking the streets. Dana Dew says her husband's instincts kicked in as a tornado barreled right into their neighborhood, tearing everything apart.
He jumped up out of the bed, and I jumped up out of the bed, and he threw me in the closet and held on to me, and we rode it out. Seeing it in the daylight was different, but I think relief that everybody here that I love is okay, but devastated also, because we've lost it all.
Volunteer groups are rolling in with chainsaws and emergency supplies. Many of these families are now going through the damage, trying to save anything they can that wasn't blown away or soaked by the storm. Some people saying they're not sure what they'll do next. In Rolling Fork, Mississippi, for AccuWeather, I'm Wadell.